Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix this PostgreSQL error step by step. Step 1. Open the command prompt, then type the command and then hit enter. Then enter your PostgreSQL database password. It will open the database. Now type list. It will show all the list down of the databases. If your database name is not listed, that means the database does not exist. If not exist, then create manually. This is the in my case this is the database name, testdb in my case. Now we need to create manually and type the command create database, in my case testdb, and hit enter. Now it will create the database. It is showing in the list testdb. It means now the problem is clear and it will open the database. Thank you.